Did you know that blending spinach with fruits can make your body feel more energized than a cup of coffee? That's right. Green smoothies are a vibrant, nutrient-packed option that has taken the health world by storm. Let's address the question in the thumbnail. Yes, green smoothies can potentially turn your poop green due to the high concentration of chlorophyll and other green pigments from the ingredients used, such as spinach, kale, or spirulina. However, this is generally harmless and temporary. The body doesn't absorb much of the chlorophyll, so it passes through the digestive system, giving the stool a greenish hue. Other factors like the amount of liquid in your stool, the presence of other foods, and individual digestive processes can influence the intensity of the color. If you're concerned about the color change or experience other unusual symptoms, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying conditions. Now that we've addressed that issue, let's dive into why green smoothies are so beneficial, how to make them, the results you can expect, and the real, potential side effects. Top benefits of green smoothies. Rich in nutrients. Green smoothies are packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate, minerals like iron and calcium, and antioxidants from leafy greens and fruits. Improved digestion. The high fiber content aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut by encouraging regular bowel movements. Weight management. Low in calories but high in nutrients, green smoothies can help with weight management by keeping you full and satisfied longer. Boosted immunity. The abundance of vitamins and antioxidants strengthens your immune system, helping you fend off illnesses more effectively. Increased energy levels. Natural sugars from fruits and the nutrient density of greens provide a steady energy boost without the crash associated with caffeine. Better skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants found in green smoothies contribute to clearer, more radiant skin by fighting off free radicals. Hydration. The high water content in fruits and vegetables helps keep your body hydrated, which is essential for all bodily functions. Detoxification. Greens like spinach and kale support liver function and help flush out toxins from the body. Mental clarity. The nutrient-rich profile of green smoothies supports brain health, leading to improved focus and mental clarity. Easy to digest. Blending breaks down the cell walls of fruits and vegetables, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. Methods to make a perfect green smoothie. Choose the right greens. Select mild-tasting greens like spinach, kale, or collard greens for a beginner-friendly smoothie. Add stronger-tasting greens like spirulina or wheatgrass for a nutritional boost. Balance the flavors. Combine greens with sweet fruits like bananas, mangoes, or pineapples to mask bitterness. Add a creamy base. Use yogurt, avocado, or milk alternatives like almond milk to create a smooth texture. Boost with superfoods. Add nuts, seeds, or powders like chia, hemp, or protein powder for extra nutrition. Hydrate with liquids. Use water, coconut water, almond milk, or any other plant-based milk work well. Blend until smooth. Use a high-speed blender to break down ingredients and create a velvety texture. Experiment and adjust. Play with ingredients and ratios to find your perfect blend. Some popular green smoothie recipes include spinach, banana, mango; kale, pineapple, coconut water; avocado, spinach, banana; green goddess, spinach, avocado, banana, lemon. Remember, the key to a perfect green smoothie is finding a balance of flavors and textures that you enjoy. Expected results from regular consumption. Increased vitality. You will notice a significant boost in your energy levels. Weight loss. Consistent consumption can aid in weight loss due to their low-calorie yet filling nature. Enhanced mental focus. Improved nutrient intake can lead to better concentration and mental clarity. Clearer skin. Regular intake can result in clearer, more radiant skin. Improved digestion. Your digestive system will benefit from the high fiber content, leading to more regular bowel movements. Potential side effects. Digestive issues. Some people may experience bloating or gas due to the high fiber content. Start with smaller servings and gradually increase. Oxalate buildup. Greens like spinach contain oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Rotate your greens to avoid this. Blood sugar spikes. Although fruits are healthy, they contain natural sugars that might cause blood sugar spikes in some individuals. Balance fruits with greens and protein to mitigate this. Incorporating green smoothies into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall health. The benefits range from improved energy and better digestion to radiant skin and mental clarity. Start experimenting with different combinations to find your perfect blend. If you found this content helpful, please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Until the next one, stay informed, stay active, and most importantly, stay healthy.